Hey, what is up? This is Paul Murphy. So in this video, I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And this is the best, kind of the easiest thing you can do in 2026. People say like, what would you do if you were starting again? I would do this. This is really straightforward and you can copy this today and just actually get going. So I want to show you exactly how it works, right? So if we take this product called Lazy Spa, now obviously you might not have a warehouse full of this stuff. So there's a couple of options you can do. The first option that a lot of people will do is they'll throw up a Shopify store and they will sell this product dropship, which means that they'll basically put some ads up like this and then somebody will basically go and buy it. This is an inflatable spa, right? They have different models. So they'll go and buy it, but then instead of you having a warehouse, you basically then go and order it from the vendor, get them to send it directly to the customer, right? And you think, oh, well, that's a really good way of doing it. So first of all, we're going to get rid of these ads and we're going to paste some listings up here for free. We'll still get the image billboard because we're going to use a YouTube video and we're going to do it for free. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But secondly, we're not going to do drop shipping. And the reason we're not going to do drop shipping is because with drop shipping, you still have to deal with refunds. You still have to deal with customer service. You still have to deal with creating a Shopify store that looks legit and gets all the orders. And we want to get rid of all of that. What we actually want to do is basically grab an affiliate link from one of these guys and start promoting immediately. And that's a really easy way to do it. So what we could do is we can go to one of these guys and we can say, we can actually put a couple of videos up first if you want to show them some proof and say, we've got access to all the traffic that we want to send to you because we've got these videos on the front page of Google, just send it to you, just do that via email, right? And then they'll say, and you say, I want to send it to you. How can I send it to you? They'll be like, you can send it to this link. And you say, well, I want to make it win-win for both of us. Please set me up with your affiliate scheme. I want 10, 15% commission, right? And you can negotiate that quite hard because you'll have all these listings. And then by doing that, you cut out all the tickets that people, obviously there's going to be no tickets coming into you because they are now basically selling it for you because all the traffic you're sending is straight to them. You don't have to worry about being competitive because they're already doing that, right? So when you send the traffic to them, they're already being competitive to make sure that they convert that traffic. You don't have to deal with refunds. You don't have to deal with anything. In fact, this is set and forget. And in fact, you can do this all day, every day for lots of different products. And we've seen people do this and make absolute killings with this, right? So this is a really, really easy way of doing it. You don't need a Shopify store. You don't need anything, right? You literally put some videos up, sign up as an affiliate. Like, couldn't be easier. And you can see here, this one here, this is a keyword tool that we've got that shows us the data inside of Google. This is getting 246,000 searches a month. And this is all for this product, right? This is not for anything else. This is targeted traffic. So when somebody comes in and puts this search for term into there and goes to this, you can actually see they are looking to buy. So if you imagine, if you only got 5 or 10% of people buying, this starts to stack up really, really quickly, right? Now, just to show you when I did this, I actually did this. I put hot tub deals from Paul Murphy. I put them at the top of Google and YouTube. I actually took them down afterwards because I wasn't selling it. This was as an example to show my students because they wanted to see it working. And I literally just created these very, very simple slideshows in Canva, right? Now, obviously, you can do AI videos now. This was before even AI existed. I think I did this. But you can do them with AI videos, you can do them with whatever you like, and then you use the process I'm going to show you to rank them, right? It's really, really easy. In fact, anything like this is super easy because 9 times out of 10, there's no videos. So you have no competition. So it's really, really easy just to get started and get them up there. So you can do that. Here's another idea, right? This is another interesting one. So this term here, try on haul, which I didn't even know what that meant. I just found it from my keyword tool, was getting 2.2 million searches a month. Right? Low competition. And I was thinking, okay, well, this is cool. So what is it? And I didn't realize what it was. And it shocked me when I saw it. It was actually young girls trying on all different types of clothes, quite often underwear, right? So obviously this isn't something I would do. But what I could do with this knowledge is I could say, okay, well, there's 2.2 million searches. This girl literally just showed you this thing she tried on. 1 day old, it's got 24,000 views. 3 weeks old, 200,000 views. 3 days old, 500,000 views. Admittedly, some of these people are famous, like Molly May is famous in the UK. But even still, this is basically being searched for 2.2 million searches per month. So you can put these videos up here. So what you could do is you could basically put an ad out on like Upwork or places like that and say, look, I'm looking for somebody to try on stuff. work with me. I'll do all the marketing. You try it on. We split the money, and then you just sign up as an affiliate. In fact, when you start putting these up, they send you, all the companies send you loads of stuff, right? As soon as you start making money for other companies, they find out who you are and they send it to you. But to start with, you just sign up, like I said earlier, like you sign up as an affiliate with these companies, and you split the commissions with this person. So again, you don't need to be on camera. In fact, all you actually need to do is use the process I'm going to show you, create some videos, and you're good to go. So this is what I call the magic ecom funnel. So obviously we would have we would put these videos, so we're going to create, and we may create like 30 or 32 videos. And the reason we do this is because these videos are going to be, generally speaking, especially for e-commerce products that we're just emulating the ad. So with Lazy Spa, we just want 3 or 4 images, put them in a slideshow. And then we basically change all the slideshows to represent each different keyword. So it may well be that we're ranking for different products or different variations or different keywords. And we basically put up 32. And then by doing that, we get that authority on YouTube and we nail it, right? And we get all these listings showing up on Google and YouTube. But the thing is that these are only 20-second slideshows. So you can do all of these videos on somewhere like Canva. You create your first template, which might take you half an hour just to put the images in and do that. And then you just move them around and create another one, move them around, and then you just download them. So this is like a 2 or 3 hours work tops just to get these videos. Then we put them in the funnel, and we can pre-build that for you, or you can create one similar to this. And then all you need to do is you put in, when you send all the traffic, you send them to your affiliate company, and what you do is you say to them, can you give me a coupon code for the product? So whatever you sell it for, like, can you give me a coupon? And of course they generally all have them because they're all trying to sell. So you reach out to them, they give you a coupon code, so you then send them to your page. You put the coupon up, say 10% off today. They give you your email, everyone puts it in because everyone wants 10% off. They're already looking for the product, right? They put it in, and then it goes straight to your affiliate link, right? So you have this page as your page, which captures the email, sending them, and then this funnel basically sends them. This is like a retargeting campaign where it just comes out every day, where they basically get to buy, and 9 times out of 10 they buy straight away anyway because they're already looking to buy it. But this basically ranks all the videos so that they show up for everyone else coming in, and that's how you basically get free ads. So what I'll do is to show, we've got a 21-point upload checklist, which I can give you so you can actually see how to do this. And also we've got some bonuses that we can give away so that these will convert. So basically when you can kind of package this, say, get this and get all these bonuses as well. So I'll give you access to those, and you can go to the link, which is claimfreeads.com. And also this funnel does all these other things as well, which I'll go into in a bit more detail inside of there to show you that it doesn't just deliver sales on autopilot. It actually fills up your email list. It converts on autopilot, and you don't need to, spend any money on paid ads, right? So yeah, that's it. Go to Claim Free Ads. And by the way, once you get all those things and you come in, there's a free community in there. You can post your results, people posting in there. But go and check this video out here, and I'll show you something really neat that I think you'll like.